Hello, now I'm going to talk about another AI generated tool that is StockImg AI. Here, in this AI tool, you can actually make logos, you can actually make illustrations, wallpapers, and posters. And like this, these are the user cases like stock image, avatar, logo installation, illustration, wallpaper, poster, book cover, QR code, illusions. Another solutions for it can any agency it can use this platform, content creator, e-commerce, educators, freelancer, graphic designer, influencer, or marketers can easily use this platform. This is the interface of this AI tool. And also there is options for API, like from with API integration, this AI tool can be used in another software or another app. And for these pricing options, we can see that they have the starter plan, premium plan, ultra plan, and some customized plan. And for free plan, per month, a person can generate only one image. So this is the demo of this AI tool. Thank you.